Hey, what's up? So today we're just doing a quick follow-up video from yesterday's, what do we do? fadeSprite. So yesterday we wrote a script called fadeSprite, which basically, for testing purposes, we just faded in and out from red to, or from our color to red and back, which I wanted to do for when we get hit by the bullet. So I got here, I just click and drag the bullet from the prefab folder, and you can see that when he gets hit by the bullet, he gets faded in and out from the collision. So all we did there was, let's just take a look at Bossman real quick so you can kind of see what I'm talking about. So Bossman shoots, and he gets hit, he's hitting the red, so he gets hurt and takes damage. So anyways, all we did was just a very short check collision script. So we kept this the same, we kept fadeSprite the same, and to keep things simple, we just copy and pasted pretty much everything over. All we did was write a little void on collision enter 2D function here, on collision enter 2D, collision 2D underscore collision 2D, and all we're saying is if collision game object tag is equal to bullet, whatever bullet here, and its tagged as bullet. You can take a look at that if you want. Bullet tags are right there. My player, and sorry about that. Go away. So we're just saying that if he gets hit by a bullet, we're going to start a coroutine called colorLerpIn, which we just copy and pasted from fadeSprite. And we go in here, and all this is exactly the same. And those scripts are on every object with the polygon collider 2D on it. So you can take a look at that. These guys don't have a collider on them, polygon collider 2D, but you can put one if you want. And so just going through, and you can actually change each one if you wanted to different colors, you know, and make things funner, exciting, whatever. So just I'll turn the Bossman off first, kind of take a look what's going on. Hey, come back here. Turn the Bossman off. So we'll play it, and there's a bullet just to kind of test. So he gets hit. Oh, that hurt. And let's say maybe on the face, his head, you wanted to go from white, or our color it is, to maybe blue or whatever. You can pick your color and move that out of the way, and take the bullet, let's see if it works. Yay! So that's cool. You can have different for each body part if you want. Maybe green. Uh-oh, he's taking off now. Millie! You can get a little damage. He's got a green foot. So anyways, yeah, it's very short tutorial for today. Just write your on collision enter 2D function and check if it gets hit by a bullet or whatever you're checking with. Start your coroutine, colorLerpIn, boom, and then colorLerpOut is called at the end after everything's done fading. colorLerpOut, and we go back to our normal color, our start color. So that's it for today, guys. Short and sweet, and please help Millie out. Please help Millie out. Drop a like and subscribe if you haven't already. If you want to see more videos like this or continue the series or whatever, and also comments and questions down below if you like. And we'll catch you next time, guys. Thanks for watching. Happy coding.